regular trading hours. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's actually good. Nice. Well, what are they? I mean, yeah. Said. I mean, he don't really trade. I mean, regular trading hours, open gaps and stuff like that. But shoot, I will. Anyway, going on. Oh. On a daily. So I see. So we have this gap. Oh, let me go and look at trading hours actually. No, where's it at? Oh, maybe it's only in a low time frame. Yeah. Okay. Turn this off. Send to the back. I'm not warmed up. But I still should do good. Going on, let's go on a month. See what we're doing. I'm not gonna get too deep, you know, but I'll give you that, you know, whatever. So from this range, we are actually pretty. I mean, the closer we get to an infrared gap, the more discounted we are, in my mind, because we can easily leave this open for 1 month, well, 3 months actually. So, but that's ultimately besides the point. Let's be honest. So we have that gap. Alright. I'm not trying to get too technical with this stuff, but. Next we have a gap. And we have elbow, sell side. Come on, man, don't do that. Bottom left. What's going to do like that? So the sell side right there. That's a little low to me. And we're gonna see if we're gonna trade. Alright, so the more I'm looking at, the more warmed up I'm getting. So yeah, these relatively a little sell side. Then you can just say buy side here. Yeah, so this price looks already trash. Let's be honest. Discount wick. I only like to see CE of this being real. Or that. So yeah. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Buy side. Alright, it looks pretty simple right now. Let's go to London. Instantly, that buy side's already taken out. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh no. What the fuck? So it seems to be. We're going right up, so we have that small sell side. So if we are going up to that buy side, which we did not take out, we just created highs. And if we are going up to there, ideally, I want to see reaction. I see at least a retracement there, so I will assume we take out this. He doesn't trade. I don't want to cheat, because he doesn't trade New York session, London session. He doesn't. I'm gonna go New York. Yeah, that was pretty obvious though. Alright. Press on the new session. We tap that. Now we hit this wick. We have that sell side. Right there now. So now we discount it. High key perfect, no? Perfect. Maybe we take out that liquidity. We leave this as a breakaway. Or we could retrace. Let's see rather what we want to do. We have the sell side sweep. We are discount, so if we do go back to the highs, that would make complete sense. Oh my gosh, that would look great. Oh wow, yeah, it's looking great already. So and we want to see clear manipulation. So I don't like this, the resistance that just got built up. I hate that, to be honest with you. But we still clear distribution. We still have that low resistance for OTE. So even if that is a general liquidity, it's not my type of general liquidity. Perfect manipulation. Seems like we don't want to go back up to there. We need to do it right now. It is 13 o'clock for some odd reason. And lock in. What the frick? Alright. So that's 9:30. We create double lows. That is suckish. And I want to see is there. Do we want to go down to there? So we have NQ is easiest. Stop. Small minor sell side liquidity right there. Let me go highs. So I'm not too sure what we want to do. Okay, so we took out the new highs, and then maybe we can manipulate lower. I want to see it tap into that fair value gap, if I'm being completely honest. If not, it's fine. Looks like we're just gonna go down. Oh, inversion. Fair value gap. Seems like is there SMT? No SMT. So the buy looks free. It's gonna okay, perfect. Yeah, this buy looks pretty free. I will not buy from here though, because even though we have relatively good highs, this is not old enough for me. And this it's 10 o'clock. And then we have the ego lows, and it's like, since the fact that same thing here. So you see how we went up once, reject it, went up twice, reject it. We have to go now. Okay. If it rejected again, we'll just flush down, fall. It's nothing I'm willing to really put money on though. If I were to, did he get this? He possibly did. Most likely. And I would not be surprised if he did, but that's completely fine. So this wick I marked up, obviously it's not showing any sort of sensitivity. Nice manipulation. Again, and we just go up. That makes perfect sense. Let's go to that wick again. I want to see that. So we did respect the body wise. We are now in this discount for value gap, and then we have that. So we could go up. We could see us go up to there, to that buy side. If not, I want to see an immediate rejection off of OTE of that. And let me just go about my day. Let's see 50%. 2 minutes, 3 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute stalling. Session about to end. Do we have that water block self rejection work? Yeah, that's CISD right there. After it almost tapped into that, but we tapped into that, hit CE. That, and we have that sell side right there. I do not know if I want to get taken out today. I do not know that. I can doubt it though. Do have that fair gap, but I like kill zone. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I like kill zone stuff. So he definitely got something today though. I won't want that. That looks pretty sexy. Talking about this. If it first by sea of hair.
Oh, this isn't even New York.
Let me see if we got some of hair. I haven't checked news, that's crazy. Really? What he means by chop. So we gotta change things off. So we go with signals rate. And he's literally just sharing 1 minute. What's wrong? What is he looking at? Also looking at 8. What is this? Bro, what?
That's 946. If I go to 946, it's an up close candle. He's at 946, up close candle, but chop after.
Oh, what is he trading? Let me see if he's trading them. He might be trading mini NQ.
Might be 2022 July 4th.
Bro, what is it? Oh, that's yes, I'm tripping.
Still though, July 4th.
Bro, what?
What is he trading? July 2022. Is he on a different, like, what the is that?
I let you trading hours.
Bro, I'm so confused with the frick. July 2022. All right, buddy. I mean, it was going down. Oh, silly me right there. That's silly me again, huh? So now we're okay. So now we're on to something. Is that 946? Okay. So he's trading a mini. Okay, that's smooth. That's smooth. Smooth. So he's trading a mini. Yeah. That's overall the same stuff. Alright. Got that gap right there. They got sell side liquidity. Sell side liquidity. Buy side. Buy side is not likely to get taken out, because if that gets taken out, then I'll assume we're going up to there. So yeah, so I'm really not doing nothing. Alright, perfect. So he checked if there was a SMT. That's overall interesting. Yeah, so that's interesting. If there is SMT. Dang, that's interesting. There is SMT. So, I mean, I was already not anticipating that to get hit. Regardless, though, we don't have to hit that. To be honest, we have that sell side already. Then we have the 4 hour. And looks like we're just expanding all the way down. So it seems like we're just gonna expand all the way down there for the rest of the day. More than likely, for 15 minutes. Like I said, we still have this minor sell side. Then we're going on a 4 hour. So So we have that rejection wick. We actually never tapped into that rejection wick. NQ we did. This we never did. Okay, that is interesting. So discount rejection wick of this whole leg. And then now we have a 30-minute. We could possibly see get tapped into. Alright. That 30-minute does not have equal highs. This low looks suckish to trade from. Plus we have this. We have this overall. So it looks like I'm probably going to look to. I did not want to buy with them equal lows. Now looks like perfect time to buy. It's like the same thing as NQ. Wait, am I on to something? Wait. Why does it look like the same exact thing as NQ? That was just on. Oh my gosh. I'm not on to something, but I'm on to something. What the? So on the 4th. Oh, Aaron, come on, bro. Aaron, come on, bro. Aaron, come on. Get the same thing. So we know we go to there. I'm tripping. Okay. I'm all the way tripping. Yeah, I'm all the way tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping. Alright, then. Does he take that? He does take that, no doubt. Because he creates it hourly. So that's what I was first looking for. But now I know he's trading it. The mini. Or is he? No, he's not. I was just on a freaking. Aaron, come on, bro. Lock in, bro. Jeez, look freaking weird. Alright, let me see if he takes something. It's on a 4-minute. Speak up to the ticket. Okay, that's good. Go on, buddy. Don't say that again, bro. This freaking guy get something. Continuations? What if you get stopped out? Fade this. He's really taking this. I wouldn't know does he win this. He does not win this. He wins this like a frick. Oh, break even. Get the frick out of here. I'm gonna take some BS. I'm playing. That was good. It was good. It was good. It was. Wait. What? Let's go back. He was on the 32nd, wasn't he? You son of a. This man was on the 32nd. That's why I didn't see it. That yeah, it looks great actually. No, there's no target down. The frick am I gonna? Yeah, that's stupid. I can confidently say that shit was stupid though. There's no draw. What are you aiming for? Unless you're just like, you know, maybe EQ the range. Then I would definitely agree with that. The fact that he had no target and he was like, oh, we want to win this. All right, well, you won. Now we are obviously premium. Going on a day, so we're hitting. So we have SMT. That we are premium. That. Then we have these lows down there, which I thought I already marked up. And then this also, which I thought I already marked up as well. Okay. I can confidently get rid of this. And I'll assume. I mean, what news? 2 p.m., 10 a.m. Plus for discount, equal lows. I need to see it tell me immediately that we're going down. If it doesn't tell me immediately, I'm not even looking. I'm being completely real. We don't have to take out them, even though, because we don't have to take out them. If we completely inverse this, I will assume we're going straight down. That's my mindset with that. Because why don't we need to take out this? Because it's already a premium. So since this is a deep premium, from this range to this range, alright, I didn't hit OT, but this one did. Alright, so this is probably deep premium. I don't need to see manipulation. I can count this as already the manipulation in itself. I don't need to see something like that. If it did do that, okay, cool, but with CE and we already premium, so it can easily just crash down there, which I want to see. That's hard to go down in South Hard. So that being said, I'm bearish. Bearish as frick. Going on an hour, 30 minutes into that, 30 minute, and then we have Okay, so I like this, if I'm being completely real. Alright, that's something, you know. Gotta check out that liquidity. And where's that tapped in? Nice. Okay. 5 minute or a discount within that. We do have this inversion that we can possibly see. I want to see what it does. Okay. Kind of already. So now we're in a deep premium. Alright. We're in a deep premium. We have a 5 minute. That 3 minute. I want to see that 5 minute. Then I'll take it. Alright, some BS is going on. Alright. It's 9 o'clock, so that's 4 hour candle open. I do want to see that buy side. And then, okay. Nice buy side, equal lows, CISD, IFG. Sorry, displacement. Sell side, and we could possibly SMT. That is SMT. So that's the highest point. That's not the highest point. So that's SMT with that. We're gonna see if this volume imbalance. We have 13 minutes into that. 40 minutes until the new hour or the hour close. So I just don't like the fact that we have no targets. But this, like, that's the only sell side I can see. Obviously, this is everything I like. But the fact that we took out that high, yes. The fact that we're in OT of that, basically, it's not the best thing I like to see. But I don't. Yeah, okay, good. Alright. Inversion of that. That way. Damn, now I can confidently sit there and say that we're going straight down to that, buddy. Do that water block. It's not looking too fancy. So deep retracement. That. Wick like that. Water block. Equal lows. And then 1 hour. 30 minute. This looks so free. Oh la la. It's like free.com. Sheesh. It looks free. We could keep that open and continue higher, but I doubt it because we're rejecting off of that. So, and then we have them equal lows right there, and then so break even at the fair value gap, and then I'll just so we have manipulation, clear side objective, inversion, minute. I can lose it so easily. What the frick? Why am I so scared? I'm flying. Oh, so we have 15 minute. So we're expecting that. We're just off the 15 minute. Have equal lows, objective, and that right there. So discount. We go highs we don't need to take. I like this. I like this. Okay. Okay. And we continue higher. We're taking off of that. Get that complete errors. The first thing we take out is that sell side. Find it right here. Alright. And then have stops right the frick here. What if I get with one? Right here for this retrace. Well, I'm gonna place it this again to go so right side. All objective is that. Okay. Alright. I'm about hurt. I'm about hurt. Not really, but so. Say that again. Oh my gosh. The New York session and the London session. That's interesting. I mean, frick. He's looking for a continuation though. Yeah, not. Slanted highs, he said. So because he was bullish, he didn't take that. So I was trying to, what do you mean? I don't know why I don't know why. I mean, I wasn't expecting a high get took. I was expecting more so of that low get took before anything. Already okay. Mm-hmm. 4 hours is not looking. It just doesn't look too sexy to me. Nani? Oh, I've seen it before. What the fuck? Anyway, I mean, and then we okay. Take us from that high. Right down. For very gap. Okay. And it's 10 o'clock, so that's still very valid. Wait and see if again. Going an hour. Rejection week, but that rejection got liquidity. Then that. Yeah, that's what it is then. What's up is actually hilarious. Like, what the frick? I don't see anything like. Oh, you could. Yeah. And then my assumption would be, but I'm not really. No resistance. Is it 10:30 almost? 10:30 rejection to our buy side. Rejecting that. Just come back into ODE, and then that clear manipulation. So clear outside manipulation. Money. The randomness. The 15 a minute. 15 a minute. Yeah. Do remember that. And yeah, all that low resistance. Trading is a scam. This doesn't hit. I'm playing. Frick no, it's not gonna. I'm guessing too much. Plus we already have that. But I feel like there's kind of too much things. Already, like, okay, don't need that. That's enough C of that, which is that was a daily gap. Rejecting off SCE. Then we create so much low resistance. I would take out buy side. I see you have the manipulation, and we have that nice 30-second inverse of that. What is it? It looks so valid to go down, but I mean, we create a CIC of that. I'm taking it. I am. Look at if rejection looks like tomorrow doesn't exist, bro. Yeah, that's great. The manipulation. Oh, those are old. I do like it now, actually. Yeah. Price high, get only discount. Old lows. 1050. Oh my gosh, give it. Wow, that's crazy. 1050, 11 to macro. Buy side swept. Rejection again. Old lows. I'm assuming it's gonna rush down to there. Okay, we just thought. Alright. Right. Right. Stuff is despicable. Being completely honest. Cause like now, we just stalled so much. I'm assuming we're probably gonna go down there. But the thing about that
It's back testing as it's doing. Frick it, frick you. Look at all these freaking bricks. I don't know if we want to wait till next day. Mind you, don't forget about that. I'm putting my right keeping. I just hate that I'm thinking so much and nothing's too clear. I feel like I'm just taking a guessing game at this point. You know, but if it hits, it hits. Yeah, frick you. Alright. Right. So TP hit on that. I'm just not taking that freaking guess, bro. Like, stuff was disgusting, actually. I took 1 L. So 1 L. That freaking L just actually made me play. Bro, what the frick? Like, I should not be. That was desperate. Literally desperate. A lot of that stuff. I think that was literally desperate stuff, bro. Like, I did not need to take that L. Alright, so daily. Let's delete all this because I really don't care about it. Alright, so we close above CE, which is not a great sign at all for right out. Then we have no SNT. Right, like I said, this buy side could be a thing. Yeah, like that. I don't want to predict too far, you know. Not if I pay real tomorrow. I don't want to predict something too far, you know. Let's get a monthly. Top down. So instantly I see that that's discount to me. So I can expect a reaction. Just already. You gotta have these are levels, bro, so you're gonna see how it reacts, and if it has liquidity, then we're instantly gooch. A lot. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, you gotta see how it reacts. Which we already did we not? Yeah, we did. We already tapped in, had a reaction already. So we did just go up all day long. That's great. Biding your time to shine. So, recently I lost that other one because I was predicting that was not going to get taken out. It came down a lot. Okay, that was good. Okay, that was good. I lost a okay trade, a B trade. Okay, now we have Linden for Asia session. Looking spicy. Asia session not looking too spicy, actually, I'm gonna lie. Looks like we just continue up, but if we were to reverse something, I really want to see a CISD from here. If we do not get that, can't promise you anything.
Alright, so we're in. So now, clear buy side, clear sell side. To be honest here. Clear buy side, possible clear sell side. That's not sell side, I mean, this is sell side. And then Asia could be sell side as well, maybe. Biding your time. Biding your time to shine. Alright, what about, so we don't have SMT. Yeah, GG's, I mean, I think it might go up. We are discounted within that. And then we have London High. That's buy side, and we're in. So we're discounting that. Yeah, we go highs. Alright, the intermediate high right there. That's buy side. So we're tapping into that. So looking pretty sexy. Yeah, sell side took. So we don't tap that. We create eagle lows. We inverse that and also have a CISD. But we have equal lows, so not too much of a fan. I would need to see a 1 minute or maybe 5 minute continuation, and I'll take it. Yeah, so draw liquidity was just great. Just no whatever though. Yeah, so now we're getting more premium. We're getting more premium. See, now when it comes down to that right there. See that? Boom. Exactly what I'm marking out specifically. That's just me though. Reclaim bearish could be. Reclaim bearish. No, that was not bearish to begin with, but I'm marking out. Took out liquidity last further graded. And as soon as we inverse that, we just went down. So that's obviously a discount point. Yeah, alright. This is a long backtest session so far. Overextension, equal lows. I mean, do I have to say anything else, boys? Overextension, equal lows until a premium value gap. Take out buy side. Please take out buy side. Please take out buy side. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, y'all got hit. Right, and then we have 30, 15 minute right there. I mean, we could just crash down, for being honest. With all that momentum, I wouldn't be surprised. But I want to see a buy side maybe one more time. But if not, that means the objective is most likely lower to these lows. Because why? This is we're discounted within a monthly, actually. So monthly, whatever, a monthly wick. And we have no news. We got that harsh reaction, very sharp reaction. Take a buy side again. So we did crash down to there. That'll be fun. That'll be fun to watch, actually. So we're just chopping. And maybe 2 p.m. is gonna do it because we have all this. So will not be surprised if 2 o'clock lows, manipulates lower, PM session. Yeah, this is clear as day actually. So going to hourly, we don't have any buys that we need to take out, and we have the hourly actually just sitting there. Where am I? Marked. Yeah, so this is looking very clear. We finally have that whatever, but we do have that resistance, which I'm not a huge fan of. Talking about this low resistance right here, I'm not a huge fan of that, if I'm being honest. But nevertheless, if we do get a 5-minute outtake, alright, so take out our buy side. And now, last time I took it, okay, whatever. Alright. So now we have that rejection work. You see that rejection work? If we do spew down past that rejection work, I'll imagine just going all the way down. If not, I could probably get something that to be inverse. You see that? A lot of momentum. After hand CE, one more down close candle like that. And then I don't know why we retraced. I hate the fact that we retraced. So we have that, obviously that sell side now. I'm taking on that buy side CE. And then we have the sell side we can take out in the PM session. Possibly it is 11:24. It's not 12 yet, which is not the best thing I like. But like I said, if we do trade past that like that, I would imagine us going down there. Let me see if we can continuation 2 there. Nice. I like that another manipulation. I like the fact that we were waiting for 12. No. Okay, so it looks like we're not gonna take it out. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I like that. New York sesh. We have London. Then we have this buy side just sitting here. Literally just sitting there. We instantly put it lower. Do we have to take out that buy side? Last time we didn't is because it was a whatever hard time frame. This is different than as well as it's kind of weird, I ain't gonna lie, but that's not on payroll. Alright, that's smooth. 5 minutes until then. Alright, that's smooth. I mean, so we got that clear manipulation, another buy side, but that buy side had to blah 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 blah. And we're discount, so we don't have to go up to there immediately. If we are gonna go up to there, obviously we have the FCE coming close to this high. Obviously having a sharp retracement, and within this going on the daily actually. Okay. It seems like we can possibly have immediate rebalance. But my overall thing was going from this down close candle, or just maybe this. But yeah, we can do either or. So obviously we're probably gonna I'm not looking to read this from here if I'm being absolute real. It's been an hour already, by the way. His whole video is 30 minutes. Jeez, the frick. So obviously we have this. We got that off that very nicely, though. I don't lie to you, but get that off my screen. Respectfully. Because this is going to tell me a lot. We have this very premium imbalance. we could see a nice whatever, because people are going to be trying to chase the market down, so that's a fact. Now we're in this range. We have 9 o'clock. Origin, unknown premium, fair value gap, as well as buy side. Let me see. Perfect. And instantly. Now the last one I was just taking what I can get. That was weird. Cause this is kind of similar. I'm just taking whatever drop might be. This is definitely similar. We don't have no stop on. Well, we do have a stop on actually. I lied. So. Jeez, the freaking weeds. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Could have took it to 30. Nope. Nope. Smooth though. Very smooth. I'm gonna just call. I'm just end it off right there. Could we go to them? We did. Wow, that looks actually beautiful. Or does it? Go high, CE. No, it's not. Oh, we do go to the highs. Immediately. Did he take that? Hi there. I'm not too angry at that though. You know. It look good. Let's see what we got. I'm on the 8th. Jeez, he's still on the 6th. $50 million one of you guys. In the day. It's funny. He lost. Actually, he didn't. So he took that. Okay. So he took that. The reason I didn't take them is because I thought I got left. I actually need to calm down though. Actually, it's because it's backtest and I'm not. Feels that I'm not really in sync with the time. I just keep on skipping to the time, and it's like I'm not seeing how everything builds up before that. I like when I skip to the time, I forget that I'm at the time already. Kill zone. He really took that down. He wandered in. I don't. Okay, that's tough. So he done took this because of the 4 hour. These people trade weird. I can confidently say that. I ain't gonna lie. Not even almost. They trade freaking weird, bro. I wouldn't lie to you. Reason being is that we're in a premium. I think it's most like my weekly. So it's most like my weekly. So we are gonna be taking on this low. Notice it's a freaking Friday. On the 6th it was a Wednesday. So we will have to really expand. Like it have to show us, you know. It has to show us. The fact that it hasn't showed us. Like I'm over here trying to anticipate high time frame a little too much. I think that's definitely a problem. And I continued. Can you have the rest of the year? So I'm over here trying to whatever too much predict it. Like the fact that we're already reacting off that. If it would have shown me that, then I'll probably take out that. But the fact that I had that in my head and it didn't show me that, it's my mind is we're in this premium range, so I'm looking for sales. But there's a time and a place and when we actually should sell, and obviously for the past 2 days there wasn't no time nor place. Jeez, the frick.
So, what's cost me to... Yeah, that's interesting. So he took this. After having that, though. It's not too terrible. A fair value gap is a fair value gap, nevertheless. A fair value gap is usually where price would generate liquidity at. Or not. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, make a low old or high old. How does he have a 70% order, though? Let me stop. Dang. That's tough. That's tough. Like, why did he take a continuation when we're in this gap? It's like, it's a weird thing, bro. He did aim for low hanging fruit. That's like, but still though, we just took out the liquidity. Yeah, someone motion to the downside. We could inverse that. The fact that he couldn't. Not only that, he bought in a freaking. No, he didn't. He didn't, but he like that. He just got something, bro. That's tough. He said, I think high time we're... Say that again. I think in a higher time frame we're bearish, but we're having a bullish retracement. That's tough. Did he? Are you not looking at that? Hello? People don't trade ICT, bro. Freaking re-raise, bro. What do we do? Yeah, child, I'm pretty sure I know. Don't. Please be. What trend? What trend? This guy's blessed by God. How does it look nice? Yeah, 15-minute gap. There's no 1-to-1. Yeah, on the freaking ropes. What are we doing? Get the frick out of here. Bro, there's no freaking way. I mean, congrats to the rejection block, but, buddy, like, are you just trading with the manipulation? Yeah, it's like, that's some trading with the manipulation type of stuff. It's like, I like this trend we have going on. I like the trend we have going on, he says, and, like, I just don't. Yeah, man. I mean, what was it right here? It was, or was not. Yeah. Take it, like, what the? Do I should turn with the trend? There's no inverse. But it flies higher though. I'm happy he missed that too. I'm happy he missed that too. Ah, you son of a gun. I'm happy he missed that too. Like, glad. But I ain't. No, we take it out though. Hello?
Wait, hello? 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 Whoa, are we changing the same thing? Did it actually retest? Oh, it did, okay. Wait, I missed that? Wait, no, I didn't. I'm just not. Yeah, what the frick am I? Get the frick out of here. Please don't tell me to take that. Calm yourself. So he traces crushing area sometimes as well. It's gone. GG's. I would have hoped he got a 30-second. That thing would have chopped. Maybe it would have. Super healthy comp. You can't call it luck if he has a 70%. Obviously, it's definitely like everybody's trading strategy is discretionary, but it's like I keep want to go back. He took what? Oh, he took that one, and then he took that one. So he took this for some reason. Wait, was it that? Where's it at? What is this? He took this. He took this for some reason. Alright, this is an inversion. This is literally just an inversion. And then he targeted 1-to-1, stop at the high. And then, yeah, even if he did stop at this high, he still would have got a 1-to-1. That's literally it. So he bottom ticked that. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, it seems like luck because
he's bottom ticking, so he just took a trade without any sort of target. The only target was here, that's already got met. And if we were truly bullish, we would have continued higher immediately. But we chopped around instead. Came back down to the 4 hour. And then this 4 hour. Yeah, so we came back down to this 4 hour. I'm not mad at it. But I would definitely prefer. What the frick? I would definitely. This looks good. Like, you know, I like trading with targets. I don't like trading with just. Oh, it has inversion, so it must continue. Like, even though that, like. I think collect more data. No. And then this Harasso from CE. And then it's chart. But it's up 3 bands though, somehow. I'm mad I took one stupid one though. We both didn't take this. That was nice. So I could have been just break even. If he was up 3K and I was break even, or not break even, but I wasn't not like no drawdown, then that would be great. I would have a big amount of but the fact that I have a drawdown, it's tough though. I should have never have even taken that first trade. Like seriously. That's probably not Jane though. And Jane, you're early. Your life walk is started by the spheres. You adore you. Anyway, yeah, immediately turn that off. Immediately. Oh, freaking 50 hertz at 40. The frick is that? 15. Improved memory. Improved focus. 40 hertz it was. Yeah, anyway. I don't need that stuff. So I like what he said though. It looks like we're in a bearish market and a bullish retracement. Like that stuff was beautiful. Beautifully said. So we just continued high off of that. See, he didn't have any much reaction, but just fine. Are we in a new week? We are. All this news. So CE didn't have much of a reaction at all. I'm talking about this Ferrari gap. That draw was too far, so it would have needed to be no news there. And I think I might actually take that very serious. If I'm gonna have a high ever to draw, I would need like a news day. Immediate rebalance, like I said. Hey. I mean, so not seeing any trades. I mean, I'm guessing this is most likely the buy side, and if not, we may go up right back to there. I use that as an inversion. Type B. Type B. So, but if we are gonna have some sort of retracement, that's previous day right there. We have week. Let's get that up my screen. Yeah, we have previous day. I might take a break. I might. So what did I learn from here again? Don't just go for like the could have beens. But I thought that was free. The reason it wasn't because Asia high. So London high and Asia high. That's the reason why it wasn't. It was already bullish from the get go. Anyway. So the buy side. We did not tag that. Daily rate, so we did close above that. So, and that seems, yeah, it's becoming like an inversion. So for us higher. We have that sell side. We have, oh my gosh, somebody. Wait, what's going on here? I see. Dang, I instantly gravitated to it out. No lie. So now I want to see possible. I definitely want to see something like it took before I even take anything. If I'm being real, we have. Okay, so that is SMT completely. So now I don't think it should get took now. I don't think that needs to get took now. I think, truth be told, we are immediately going up to here. And this whole range right here. And then there. Yeah. Wow. Okay. So when it's 8:30 open, we have minus outside took. Buy side right there. Right there. Buy side. Frick. That looks good. 1 minute. Seems like we're gone, no? Nice manipulation. Very old high. One minute. Oh, that's not even a 1 minute. Right gap. And draw liquidities took. CE of the wick. I do remember that monthly wick to be precise. Yep. CE of that wick, we failed to trade within there. There's some bullishness, and we have this rejection block. I don't care. Okay, so we do trade within that. What a 1 minute. Then I had CE. Now we have them super old highs. Oh my gosh, this freaking thing's annoying. So looking at this. Okay, so this isn't indeed. Like an immediate predicted high. Oh my gosh. And then the 2 minute looks clean. So tight. This is all mark it up. So I took. And then we SMT that. There's another rejection block to the SMT. So old high, kill zone, buy side. Could we manipulate one more time? I don't. Low resistance. I'm not taking this. This is too premium. I want to see a manipulation. I'm a freaking G. Listen, this is why I trust myself more than these freaking. That's what I'm saying, bro. It's too premium. Now we have that 30-second. Now we have the true manipulation. Well, we have ego. Okay, so we see yes, it's ripping higher though, right? That's a great indication of bullishness. Don't miss this, Aaron. The inversion, manipulation, and then we both take out the lows. Oh, actually, we have SMT with that high. Now, so SMT right into OTE. Like that. With a 30-second. With a what is this? Oh, with the rejection wick that is still live and active. Keep that in mind. And 1 minute. We don't have that. Let's see what we have. And if we get a CSD, I'm taking. Nice. That's why I'm taking the inversion. Freak you. There's something in me that hope he takes that loss. There's something in me that hopes that. But okay, so SMT is just not playing at all. SMT with that. So now we take out that liquidity. We still have that 15-minute. We still are whatever right there. Now, if we are gonna take that, if we are gonna retrace back to there, playing inside of a daily. Yeah, I'm gonna react to their playing inside of daily. Okay. So the conclusion was right the first time. It's great to know. Perfect. All I wanted to see. And now, wow. Okay. It's beautiful. I see a nice sell side sweep. Not like that completely. But we take it out. And I'm off. I'm off. I mean, coming back down for some reason. Okay. Give me another opportunity. No, it's not. Alright, so did it give me another? No, it didn't. Alright, so Asia low. Asia lows. See that. And yeah. Yep. And then CIT. Asia low. Nice. And then London. Now. I want to see how I did this. This is the I'm on 11. Okay, cool. I want to see how I did this. I really can't wait to see how I did this. I want to see how he figured. Oh, it is. I gotta lie. I want to see this. He put that as a rejection block. Okay. Instantly, it's not going as like that. Instead of looking at his buy side, he looks at that as a rejection block. So any wick to him. So now he wants to look at wicks as, man, get the frick out of here. Buy side. What is that? The 4 hour. So it wasn't just a 15. So he just instantly plays it. Okay, so we took out that liquidity. So now it's like now he's playing the way I was playing. I'm on premium now. With adjusting. Like, you know what I'm saying? That about that. Rejection rate. Right. Now we have retracement. Makes sense. Nice. Nice. No. Please don't tell me I'll look back and eat. Okay, yeah, just start on it. Like, oh, that's it. Oh. The mouse is gone, bro. But listen, where? It did. What are you talking? Okay. Get that 5 minute. $15. Was that just 15 I just seen? I wanted him to take that. Dang. Of course he didn't take that. Of course he didn't take that. Oh. Stuff was annoying, bro. So instantly. I can't believe this, bro. I can't believe this, bro. He looks at that stuff and just, oh my gosh, bro. This is fun. This is very fun. He instantly looks at this rejection. I'm like, okay, but we have to talk about it. Makes sense though. It's overdone, isn't it? Oh, whoa. I didn't got the next time try. Still though, yeah, no. Hello? Alright, so daily. So we are now very discounted. We have this. One last day for real though. Oh my freaking gosh. So we are discounted. Right to get that liquidity. We have this imbalance right there. Oh, we might actually, maybe not. If we don't, that's fine. I do want to see. Okay, so we're most likely, yeah. So this is not expanding high. So let's just get that out the way.
Let's get that out of our minds. Where is the true range at? True range is this, but yeah, going to 4 hour because he went a 4 hour last time. We have this huge order block right there. Come on, buddy, stop playing. I'm already there. Give me that. Yeah, CE of the order block. Yeah, and it's looking nice. So that, let's take this off. Let's make this orange, but not orange, but red. You have that, and instantly 1 hour. 1 hour's up there. We have also another order block right here. Wow, that actually looks good. Like the order block trader within me. So most of the time he literally just, I don't know, he looks good. So it looks like we're right to there. Looking at that, I don't think we're going to another manipulation. I think we're just gone. It should be gone. Yep, perfect. We're gone. So that is the manipulation. Oh, seems like we don't want to tap into that order block. Question mark. We don't want to tap into that. We are reacting off of that. And 8 minutes into that. Let me see that. Perfect. This looks absolutely great. Or does it? No, it doesn't. I'm lying. I have to see before then. Because we could just leave that open and completely rip higher. But that's not news. This is not news, Aaron. So calm down. News is tomorrow. So we expect a retracement. So perfect. I want to see that order block. Perfect manipulation into that order block. Almost in CE. If not, that's fine as well. I'm not buying here. I'm not selling with them. Highs. And then we have, everybody has stop loss over here as of right now. That's no doubt. And we have that. I'm actually gonna play my 30-second. Let's calm down. He does check ES, so I'm not checking ES as much. So let's restart. Let us restart. Okay. Okay. So we're in the same condition. Complete same condition. Looking on here, we have SMT with Asia High. SMT with Asia High. We have this order block. That order block is so good. Oh my gosh. Plus also that aligns with that fair gap. So that being said, I'm playing my 30-second, and you're gonna have to fight me. Nice manipulation. Give it to me. Nice manipulation. See how that. Oh my gosh. Give it here. Give it here. Give it here. Nice manipulation right there. And then, let me see. So now we have a 3-minute. We just continue bullish, which is I seen that, you know. No, we didn't have a true manipulation. Now we have a true manipulation. And now we have that.
right there with the rejection wick, which I'm not liking, but as well as I do like that. Right. All right. So I got put on. Good with a true manipulation now. Inverse to the downside. I took this over here jolly, excited, and all that because it's CE, rejected, inverse. I want to go back. Come on, buddy. Right, I was all jolly because of that. Last presented for right gap, just like that. Set them high, whatever. So my mistake was no mistake. That was perfect. 930. Put it downside. I should have put a break even though. I was too excited. Immediately. And then I end up actually missing this because of the rejection wick. So because of that rejection wick, I end up not taking this. Plus the fair gap right there. So the best, there's no best spot. All right. Bro, did he just skip through that? Bro, that's the thing. He's not looking at this stuff, bro. Every time I'm looking at something, he's like, he just skips right through it. Wait, we took that. Oh, we did, actually. It's still on, isn't it? What time is it? Oh yeah, we're still on. We're still on, buddy. Okay. Yeah, no, we're still on. Still on what though? I mean, all the draws just took. Took that out. That as actually SMT. That was good. True manipulation as well. SMT with that. Discount. Inversion. Yeah. So that was great.
Also, wasn't that right? We have that 1 hour. I don't know if we want to go down to there, but if we do, Jackson Wick. That's we spew down to 1 hour, and then we have all that liquidity. Wait. 5 minute. 15. Create one, please. Create a 15. Tap into that 15. And last time, when I was trying to, heck, who's buying from the highs? I'm from. Who is? Let's be honest. So we have a 1 minute. We have a 1 minute, and we have all that. And then we have a prediction wise, not the worst thing I came up with. That looks like beauty. But let's check everything. However, we're checking it daily for some reason. Alright, we inject that water block. And then we have that, and then we have, we just have that sell side. So then if we create a CSD on taking it, we wait, we don't take out that. We do create a CSD, but we do tap into that, and we do have a CSD. Okay, that's buy side token again, and then we have the buy side token. We have this right there. And that's 11 o'clock, but truth be told, 11 o'clock looks good. 11 o'clock looks good. Oh my gosh. Did we tell? We did. Truth be told, 11 o'clock looks amazing. Let's see if we get that. We do get that. And yeah. So let's see if we get that as well. We don't. That's good. And that's chop. And then for the rest of the day. Good. Good. Alright, so one loss, one break even for the week. It's cheese, bro. There's no way you take nothing. There's no way you didn't take nothing. I mean, there's no way you took nothing. Really? Rejection work? Like tomorrow is it? What structure? It's not possible. Get the frick out. Hey, bro. Gonna end it right there. 2 losses, but realistically, actually, let's go back. Could be go back to that. Let me see now. Oh yeah, boy. What is this? So we entered right there, and then we should just spew down to there. All jokes aside, right? The fact that we didn't is tough, and we also had a freaking breaker block, so. Realistically, it'll be 2 losses, but I think I start demanding some things, you know. Like, all jokes aside, I should show my stop loss right there. It would have been 2 losses, but 2 small losses. So yeah, let's be real.